Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to manage orders in ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, we have the orders, the products, we have the fulfillment and analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage orders in ShopBase. So first of all, go to the orders section in your ShopBase admin dashboard. You can view detailed information about each order, including customer details, order status, and payment information. Track the status of each order, so use the order timeline to see history and updates of each order. If you need to cancel an order, select the order and choose the cancel option. For refunds, you can process it directly from order details page. You can contact customer via email directly from the order detail page. Add notes to orders to keep track of any special instructions or communications. Manually fulfill orders by marking them as fulfilled. Use fulfillment services like PrintHub or Ali Shopship contactor if integrated. Then you just need to go and draft your orders. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you, of course, found this video informative, I hope that you'll do that. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.